Hey folks, Alan Mandic, the Hot Rod Hippie here, coming to you from SEMA 2021. I really didn't even think this event was going to happen, but here we are. We're ready to start bringing you some content. And I'm just walking around, filming some cars, taking some photos at this point. Let's take a look at a little sneak peek of what there is to see at this show this year. SEMA 2021 coverage is brought to you by supporters on Patreon. Check out patreon.com/HotRodHippie to see how you could support content like this and more. It's Monday. The show hasn't even technically started at this point, and there's already so much activity, so much going on here, and so many things to see. I've got a lot of stuff on the plate for you this week. We're going to try and do as much as we can, taking it a little easier on SEMA 2021 versus years past. That's going to wrap it up for this video, folks. This was just your little teaser of SEMA 2021. Drop the video a like if you found this interesting or you're just excited for more SEMA content. Let me know in the comments if there's anything you specifically want to see from my videos this week, and get subscribed if you're not already to keep up to date with all the Hot Rod Hippie content. Thanks for coming around, folks. So much activity that I don't even have a chance to film without being interrupted by something going by or wind blowing in my face or